semifinal right here live in direct. Grand BEATBOX Battle 2021 World League Edition. We have Rogue Wave versus Rofu. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you again, are you ready?
Oh, this about to be crazy.
Rogue Wave.
The energy is about to be insane. You got some crazy drummers. You got the entertainers over here, bro. This is about to be crazy, bro.
Tire and chose Rofu to go first. So you already know the deal. I say the San, you say the Ni and the Ichi. Ladies and gentlemen, San.
Hello, we are Rogue Wave from France. No, we are from Japan.
Hey, he made that correctness. He was like, yo, we from France, man. Get that right.
Fatality. Mortal Kombat.
Oh, let's get it. I'm loving the energy of these guys, man. Shout out to these guys. Also, who's your favorite Mortal Kombat character? Mine's, for a while, it was Liu Kang and Scorpion. I know it's so typical, bro. I know. I'm one of the typical guys who love Scorpion and Liu Kang, but those are my two favorites. I mean, when I was little, my dad bought me 2 action figures. Who were they? They were Liu Kang and they were Scorpion, and they were like about this tall, right? It was the original action figures. They were like this tall, and it was so cool. I didn't know what they were until I started seeing my dad play the game of them, and it was really dope. So, I felt in love with those 2 characters. But anyways, yeah, I'm love these guys. Their energy, man, it's crazy.
Excellent. KO. Liu Kang. Lady. Scott Jackson. And Scott Jackson. And Scott Jackson. Yamada Gamba. お前はもう死んでいる。
Bro, they had the crazy energy, man. And I like the dynamic between the two. One's very chill, he's focusing, he's just getting the beats crazy with the drums and all that. And then the other guy just has that high intensity. I do see how he does it, because I be having the high intense energy, but he's on that, man. He's on it. They killing it, bro. Love it, man.
Time. Switch.
Okay,
let's go.
So you ready to play with me? Whenever I do this with my arm, you say, like this, perfect. Let's go. Que negro mi destino. Ay, Dios, solo llegan mis quejas. Ay, que negro mi destino. Ay, Dios, solo llegan mis quejas.
These guys are cooking right now, bro. Bro, I'm gonna say this again, bro. River and Collapse, bro, they are crazy. But bro, Collapse, man, y'all see what dude is doing over them drums, bro. And then River, man, I love their chemistry. I love their chemistry.
Time. Switch.
Get it.
No. Yeah, they are cool. So good. So good.
Bro, this is why I say, man, these guys was too crazy, bro. I don't know how you deal with them. What can you do, bro? What can you do with these dudes? Like they just unpredictable. That's the best way to describe them. They unpredictable. What? Bro, no. There's no way. He had another pair of glasses under his shades, What?
But we are better. We are up.
How can you even see with two shades? That doesn't make sense. What?
Some days. Yo. Do you know Smash Brothers?
Oh my God. Bro! Okay. I am a new fan of these groups. Of this group right here, I'm a new fan of this group, bro. What the heck, bro? I've never seen nothing like this. This is crazy.
And that's time. Switch!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's been a long time since you fell in love. You're coming out your shell. You did it yourself. Tell me what must I do to tell my love? Cause luckily I'm good at treating. I wouldn't bug everybody won't stop cheesing. And we can dance all day around it. If you want it, I'll be bouncing. If you want it, scream it, shout it, babe. Before I leave you dry.
No. Yo, that's why I said you can't count these boys out, bro. You can't count these boys out for nothing, man. Can't tell me nothing, bro. These dudes cold.
Time.
Wow. Wow. Let's see who won this, y'all. Woo. That was amazing. Wow.
Rogue Wave, Rofu. If you enjoyed the battle, make some noise.
That's crazy.
That being said, only one can head to the finals. We go to our esteemed judging panel. Judges, this side for Rogue Wave. This side for Rofu. Heading to the finals, Grand Beatbox Battle 2021 Tag Team. I say the 3, y'all say the 2 and the 1 crowd. In 3. Rogue Wave!
Whoa. That's impressive, bro. Because it seemed like the other team had an upper edge, but that comeback was crazy, man. Wow. That's why I said you can't count these boys out. Y'all heard what I said. You can't count them out, man. Because you never know. You can't count people out. You gotta stay 10 toes and all the way on and don't let your foot off the gas pedal. And these guys came in, man, did some extravagant things. Guys, if you guys enjoyed, man, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We're about to be dropping all the bangers, man. I'm telling you. If you're new to the channel, you don't want to miss out. We made dope reactions and content over here. All right, see you guys on the next one. Peace.